Will this moment be cherished or forgotten? Let's make every second count, for our family's story depends on it.
review, makuha ng history sa atong family. Okay, mo na every one to time, gina-istorya din na, to remind. It all starts mga bata pa kaayunin. Every 25 sa April, pesta sa Kauswagan. Tanan mga anak ni Lola o ni Arcadio o Bisilapia, muli na tanan sa Kauswagan. Mauna siya ang tradisyon sa unang panahon. Mo na naapay teacher na mo nga napag sa tiyan, naapay mga teacher ng mga babies kami. Mo na start sa family reunion every year. So, hangtod na, ihawa na si Lola sa Kauswagan, nabali na siya sa Palao. So, dito na dahil nasugod ang reunion nga sa Palao na nabutang. December sa una, kay silang Lola, gibalik nila December. Karon, kaming mga second generation, gibalik na mo sa April 25, nga mogin na siya, pinaka-origin sa family reunion. April 25, pesta sa Kauswagan.
They say, hold on to the ones you love. Keep them close to you. They say, hold on to this time we have. And let the light shine through. Sometimes I get a little bit emotional when I see love unfold. Two hearts bound by reflections of the memories they'll forever hold. And they say, hold on to the ones you love. Keep them close to you. They say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through.
A new day of family love. Good morning.
I'm feeling low. Want you to know I ain't got much to show. Baby, I'm slow. Gonna creep into my eyes, snail show. Until the spring liberates me from my winter hell.